Hi, good morning. Welcome to the next episode with me. I am Neha from Where the He Vines. I hope you guys are fine, doing good. I started my previous video with an amazing Dinchak song. I thought ये वीडियो भी मुझे एक Dinchak song से शुरू करनी चाहिए because you feel positive, right?
Intense music. West Coast in the house, baby. मेरे नैन ने शराब दिया दो बोतलां, इन बोतलां च सिप सिप पीवे. मेरे नैन ने शराब दिया दो बोतलां, इन बोतलां च सिप सिप पीवे.
Okay, done. वरना कॉपीराइट नोटिस आ जाएगा अगर मैंने ज़्यादा म्यूजिक प्ले किया. Okay, so also I'm planning to do good dance moves. So you guys need to tell me in the comment section which song you want me to dance, you want me to perform. Let me know in the comment section. So today's video is about how to apply blush and how to apply a contour and highlight also. Let's get started. So I did this off camera, of course. For the blush, I'm using this Kiko Milano's blush, and it already has a beautiful shimmer in it. So this is how it looks, and I'm applying this small tail brush. So what you guys need to do is, as you know that we have to dust the excess product on our brushes, so never blow it, always dust it. Okay, I can see a lot of dust. Okay, alright. So blush करते वक्त हमेशा smile कीजिए, and we just have to apply on the apple of our cheeks, not here, just apple. Okay, so this is how I'm applying. Just smudge as much as you can. See, I'm not dragging it like this because यहाँ पे contour और highlight लगेगा, so I'm not dragging it. Okay. The more you smile, the more your cheeks, your apple of your cheeks will enhance. So smile like this. Comes contour. I know it is very difficult for a lot of people, so I have two things to contour. One is this LA Pro Girl concealer. Second is this dust powder contour thing. So guys, मैं दोनों से contour कर सकती हूँ, but मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप इससे contour करो, because जब आप इससे contour करते हो, so अगर ज़रा, because it's very dark, okay, अगर ज़रा भी line आपकी नीचे चली गई, so your whole face, your whole makeup will be ruined. So on a safer side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to contour with just this. And for contouring, I have a very perfect brush, which is by Miniso, and this is how it looks. It's a very flat angular brush, perfect for contouring. And जिस तरह हमने blush के लिए smile किया था, उस तरह हम contour के लिए ऐसे करेंगे, like a fish face. So I'm gonna take this. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आता तो आप जस्ट एक थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट आप यूज करो. जहां पे हमने ब्लश किया था वहीं उसी के नीचे हमने कॉन्टोर करना है. ओके, सेम गोज विद दिस. ओके, डू यू सी दैट? ऑल्सो एक और इजी तरीका, I have a lot of easy तरीकास for you. अगर you have, सबके पास आई कार्ड्स होते हैं स्कूल के, कॉलेजेस के, ऑफिस के, राइट? ऐसे भी नहीं होता. So just place, I need a mirror, dude. Just place your eye cards. I don't have eye cards right now, so just place it like this and do blush contour. It will be a perfect sharp contour, and then you need to blend it on spot. On spot means जहां पे आपने contour किया था आपको उसी में blend करना है, like the stroke, and you have to move it upwards. Okay, You have to make a C. I hope it is very clear to you guys. A very thin line towards your eyebrows and your hairline. You can do it with your finger as well. Let me show you. And very important, take it to this bone, okay? Don't leave your contour just right up here. Take your contour line to this, because there is a hollow. From your ear, guys, one more tip. जब आप ऐसे कर रहे हो, ऐसे लाइन लेके जा रहे हो, please don't stop. The moment you stop, अगर आप बीच में रुक गए, even your product is finished, you know, अगर आप बीच में रुक गए तो ये लाइन बिल्कुल खराब हो जाएगी. So I really hope I'm very clear with my words. Another tip for you guys, I have a lot of tips for you, so you better subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, so to make your face look more sharp, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the banana powder and a beauty blender, and I will place this just near where my contour is ending, like this, and I'll just dust it off. You can see the difference, how sharp it looks. Look at that. Look at this and look at this, how sharp it is. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Boozy Brunch. I literally like the name. So this is a huge, ow. Okay, just open it for me, guys. Yeah. Look at the beautiful color, and also look at the dust it has. The thing that I learned, which I was doing a mistake while applying a highlight on my nose, was मैं पूरा ऐसे लगाती थी. So it is not like that. So you just have to, you know, बहुत ज़रा सा, and this area. You don't have to really drag the whole product. Yeah, just like this.
तेरे नालों टुट्टियां नी मौजां असली लुट्टियां नी महीने मुन्ने किथे दिनां बाद आ गई पहले वीक खुश होया दूजे वीक पैक लाए तीजे वीक फिर तेरी याद आ गई नी मैं पहले वीक खुश होया दूजे वीक पैक लाए तीजे वीक फिर तेरी याद आ गई नी मैं पहले वीक खुश होया दूजे वीक पैक लाए तीजे वीक फिर तेरी याद आ गई
So this is how I do my makeup. This is how, you know, I do contour, highlight and everything you saw in this video. So this is the complete look, guys. I really hope that I am a good teacher again, and you learn something new. And let me know if you have anything else for me, guys. I would really love to do it for you. And please take a moment to subscribe. It means the world to me. Thank you so very much. After this video, the next session will be how I curl my hair and how I straighten my hair like salon. Please stay tuned and subscribe.